Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the AirPod Max headband jack. We do sell these ribbons / jacks on our website as well as full assemblies, but if you are looking to do this repair yourself and you want to save some money, you can just buy just the ribbon part rather than the full assembly. It's a simple process for this. What we're going to be using is just a T1 screwdriver or a bit, which we do have the screwdrivers available on our website as well. So first things first, there's a few small little screws. We got one right here that we're going to remove. We got one right there as well. Set that little guy aside. Now we're going to remove this one. Once you remove the first two screws, you'll open this up and there's two more screws that you will need to remove. One right there, one right there. And if it makes it easier, you can separate them because they are different lengths. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the actual jack itself, peel it from this bracket. And we're going to grab the new one. What's cool about this is there's little tiny nub sticking right there, and you have a hole right there. So what you want to do is just line those up together. Once you do that, you can just push this guy in. Using a flathead might be a little easier to do, or you can just start by inserting that part in first. Once that is done, typically you'd have like a little film right here because there is some adhesive. It fell off when I was removing this from the bag, which is fine, not the end of the world. If you pay attention really closely, there's also a tiny little nub right there, and you have a little hole right here in the ribbon. You want to make sure that that is lined up like so, and we're going to bend this in on the inside like so. Peel that off, and where you see where the adhesive is, you just want to twist that around the jack so that it looks like this. Once that is done, place the jack back in. It's really important that you have it facing like this so that when you assemble it, it rotates the correct way so that you don't tear the ribbon. Twist this, straighten it out, make it easier. Fasten it with the two little screws. There's one. You don't want to over tighten the first screw, so that when you're doing the second screw, it's lined up. Now, we just bend this in, place it over the top, take this little bracket where there's that little bend in the bracket. You want to make sure that the little bend goes in there like that so that it's closed off. You don't want to see the ribbon. And last but not least, and that is how you replace the AirPod Max ribbon jack on the actual jack itself. We do provide and offer a mail-in repair service if you guys have any issues with your AirPod Maxes that involve this type of repair. We do sell these fully assembled like this, as well as if you're trying to save some money and you want to do the repair yourself, you can just purchase the ribbon jack alone. But without further ado, that is how you replace the old ribbon jack with the new one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.